How to sign out YouTube account from all devices. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can sign out your YouTube account from all devices. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. Signing out your YouTube account from all devices is a very simple process. What you do is you go ahead and first of all, launch the YouTube app. Now your YouTube app comes from your Google account. So signing out your YouTube account means signing out your Google account from those devices. Tap on the YouTube icon from the bottom right, then go to this option that says Google account over there, and you'll be taken to this page. From the menu, select the option that says security and then just tap on it. From security, you simply have to look and scroll down to your devices, tap on manage all devices. You will see a list of devices that is logged into your Google or your YouTube account. So if you don't recognize these devices, you go ahead and select a certain device in this case. Once you've selected that device, you just wait, and once done, you simply hit the verify button and you'll find a sign out button next to that particular device. And you can repeat it for all the devices over there. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.